Okay, so previously I showed you how we got a Knight up and running in Fedora, how we updated the image, how we used Toolbox, Flatpak, and RPM OS tree. So what happens if you want to make some changes here? Let's say you've gone ahead, you've installed KDE, but you don't like it, you want a bit of a change. Maybe you want to move over to GNOME or GNOME. And there is this project called the Universal Blue project. And essentially what it is, they've gone and created custom images based on Fedora Linux. And the idea is you can run these and it basically continues the same technology as it's using now with Knight and Silverblue, but it will give you the option of different images. So if you go to images, for example, and you look at some of the stuff they've got, for example, they've got Fedora Silverblue for Ubuntu expatriates. There's quite a couple of, there's a lot of them. Some of them are duplicates. Some are specifically for NVIDIA. Some are more for desktop images. This one is a gaming-focused one, which see that isn't on 38 yet. One that's an alternative OS for Steam Deck. I mean, you name it, there's quite a lot of them. And I see here there is just a normal Cinnamon one. First thing we have to do before we install this is we have to allow an assigned Universal Blue image to work on the machine. So we have to run this command first. So let's paste it. Right. That's basically going to allow this thing to pull images from down here. Okay, so it first needs to actually go ahead and install this, which is a distro, essentially, back to Silverblue that they've gone and adjusted. And from here onwards, we can be based on one of these. So let me just save this link up here. You don't have to do it like this. You can actually go straight to different, from Silverblue to Knight to Silverblue, aka from GNOME to KDE to GNOME. So let this thing download for a bit, and I'll resume it once it moves to the next. Okay, we're making progress here. It's busy checking what's installed, and it is busy writing or committing to the OS tree. I know the one instruction did actually say that I should reset the RPM OS tree, but I wanted to see what would happen if I don't reset it. So I don't really want to, for example, to use, in this case, Microsoft Edge. Again, just an example, but there are some other software packages I can imagine using that I would want to use and still keep it. So systemctl reboot. And if I'm right, this should reboot in a modified image. And from this image onwards, we can rebase onto other images. And this looks very GNOME. Yeah, this is back to low. Let's see. Here, okay, H is actually still here because we didn't reset the OS tree, but let us take a look at our files and documents. Gosh, and okay, let's just tell it to open it up with text file application, which I don't think has been installed on here. Shows all right. Let's go to terminal. Let's go to files. Yay. Okay, so we've moved from one image installed to another. Let's rebase again. The reason we're doing this, I'm showing you that the power of moving from one install to another install, and why these things are so beneficial using this type of immutable system. less dependency hull issues, less dependency problems to worry about. You can see we've now on Wayland, and we're on Fedora Silverblue, the latest. So let's go to Firefox. Let's go back to our image list. Okay, so now that we've been based on unassigned universal image, we can now move on to another image. So what do they have here? They have Depen, English, what norm the OS could reply today, Canonite, NXQT, Mate, Lucian. So what interesting ones. Let us do Cinnamon. So it's also version 38. Right, so now we're moving from here to a different environment. So I'm going to open up the terminal, paste the command, and I'm going to let it run. And what it's going to do is, you guessed it, it's going to put on the new image, install the image, we're going to reboot, and we're going to check that everything is still there. Okay, can do a reboot. And I'm about to reboot this and bring it up. Okay, let's log in. But look at that. Putting the Ublue Cinnamon Alpha. Okay, we don't want to remove the existing flag packs or any rebasing stuff. Obviously, I'm sure in future things won't happen completely rebased. But this is just to show you what the technology is out of that and what it can really do. Imagine Edge should start up soon. And let's go to our home directory here. Go to Documents. And of course, our files are still here. Which is really, really amazing. And Edge is still installed. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope this has shown you some of the really cool advantages and power of using something like Immutable Distro, especially in the Fedora space. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.